Hello Stellar XLM holders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video of the XLM. My friends, in this video I'm talking about the big news, big alert for XLM holders. So never miss any second of this video because this video is going to be very important for all XLM holders. First of all, let me show you the latest changes update, but please subscribe channel. If you subscribe ABS Tech Channel, so absolutely ABS Tech Channel will update you every time from a new cryptocurrencies news. So now my friends, the latest price of the XLM, you can see a negative 1.45%. The price of XLM decreased in the last hours. Last 24 hours changes occur in the XLM is 5.56% decrease in the last 24 hours. My friends, you know what? The whole price of the XLM is fast down from just yesterday, from the last 12 hours. You can see, my friend, that the previous changes occur in the XLM is positive completely and absolutely taken a huge pump in the previous time, but just the latest situation of the XLM is going wrong. Let me show you the price chart. Absolutely, my friends, massive jumps occur by the Stellar XLM. Just look here, my friends, massive jumps occurs by the Stellar XLM from the last 7 days. But you can see, my friends, now if you look the current situation, you can see I'm talking about that. So at this time the price falls down. You can see in after price falls down, the price again pump, again falls down, again you can see the last candle of the XLM is green. So possibility that from this time they again explode, again the price will pump. My chances, my opinion is going positive about XLM, and I believe that the price will pump, not lose. Anyways, what is your opinion? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.